This dish was born the moment Germany discovered Asian food and had absolutely no idea what to do with it. Tender chicken, curry powder, cream, butter, and a fruit cocktail. And the result? One of the most comforting dishes in old-fashioned German cooking. Let me show you. First, wash the chicken breast and cut it dry. Dried chicken browns properly, wet one just steams in a pan. We want color and we want flavor. Now cut it into medium-sized cubes. And here pay attention because we are cutting against the grain. You can see these lines running through the breast. We cut across them, not along them. This shortens the fibers and gives you much more tender chicken in the final dish. Just before the chicken goes in, salt it. Not 5 minutes before, not the night before, just before. This keeps the moisture inside. Now melt the batter and fry for about 3 minutes per side. You are waiting for the edges to start turning white before you flip. Turn the pieces once, don't move them around. Let the heat do its work. And while waiting for the chicken, I am thinking about where this recipe comes from, because it's not Asian, not really. In the 60s, Germany was seeing the first Asian restaurants, especially in the bigger cities. The German people were tasting curry for the first time in their life, but they had no idea how to recreate it at home. No cookbooks, no internet, so they improvised. By the 1970s, this wave of German Asian cooking spread everywhere, also into the German kitchens. This style of cooking, creamy, lightly sweet with a curry, became its own thing, a German thing. And funny enough, you can still find those dishes in the German restaurants. The last time I've seen it in Bavaria and a few years ago also in Saxony. Those restaurants probably haven't changed the menu since 1978. So no authentic Asian food, but authentic German version of it. Chicken is out, and please do not clean the pan. Those brown bits are everything we need. Add the curry powder directly into the remaining batter, stir for about 30 seconds. Pour in the fruit juice. Let the ingredients combine, cooked briefly for 1 minute. Add the cream and stir well. Now, if you like thick sauces, add a little bit of mondamin. The consistency should be thick enough to just coat the chicken. We're not making porridge here. This is how the kitchen smelled in 70s. Now we finally need these. This is a mixture of canned pineapple, peaches, and candied cherries. I'm gonna separate the fruits from the juice because I need around 150 milliliters of the juice. For the sauce, if you think that it's gonna be too sweet for you, replace the juice with a chicken broth. I'm going full in with the juice. Oh man. That should be a dessert. I've got a bit more of the juice and I'm gonna pour some for Max. He's gonna love it. Add the fruit cocktail. So while this chicken is cooking, I'm actually wondering how many other dishes exist in the world that were created this way. I can think of chicken tikka masala, chicken parmigiana, so the US version of the eggplant parmigiana from Italy, and Germany took the Asian idea, added butter, cream, and candied fruit and made something that is completely its own. So now I would like to ask you this. What dishes exist in your country that would develop completely different from original? Are there any German dishes like this? Let me know in the comments down below, I'm very curious. Now correct the seasoning. My sauce was perfect, but this is your sauce. You make it as salty or as sweet as you like. Serve over hot rice. The sauce should be golden and creamy. The fruit gives it a sweetness that perfectly balances the curry, and the chicken incredibly tender. I really hope you're gonna try this. It is a little bit of German food history on your plate. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.